Let's transform your customer support chaos into a well-oiled machine by mastering agent management in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Team section. This is your central hub for managing all your agents. Now, click on the Add Agent button. A form will appear, prompting you to enter the new agent's details. Fill in the agent's name, email address, and phone number. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any communication issues down the line. Next, assign a role to the agent. Aisensy offers different roles like admin, agent, and supervisor, each with specific permissions. Choose the role that best fits their responsibilities. Select the specific channels this agent will manage. This ensures they only handle conversations relevant to their expertise. Configure their working hours and availability. This allows Aisensy to distribute conversations efficiently and prevent agent overload. Review all the information carefully. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to add the agent to your team. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new agent. They can now start contributing to your customer support efforts, streamlining workflows and boosting efficiency.